Good morning, everyone. I am Ophelia of Crave Designs, a fabrication and machine shop in Valenzuela City. What if you want a zipline installed in your adventure park or resort, yet you don't have an elevated release point? We have a solution for that. We fabricate motorized pulley that you can enjoy while zipping through that gorgeous view. You can control the speed with its battery operated motor. This kind of pulley is also great for long line setup from one island to another. These are custom made motorized pulleys that fit your demand and requirement. Do you need one? Call us for a price quote. Or if you're just looking around, follow us on our official social media pages. Let's watch this video where we feature the motorized pulley. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you have any other machine or motor that you want to be fabricated, give us a call. Stay safe.